Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.